Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to talk about Bard, an AI developed by Google. Google's AI, which was developed in response to the hot ChatGPT these days, is now available in beta. We'll find out how to do it, and we'll find out 1. How to use it. First, Bard is different from ChatGPT. There are several steps to use. First, after logging in through Google account, first, search Google Bard on Google. Go to the top link. Press the button, Join Waitlist, in the lower right corner. Then, if the checkbox comes out and we continue, you will receive a message that you have been added to the waiting list. And if you go to the Gmail inbox of that Google account in about 10 to 30 minutes, there is an email saying that you are ready to use the Bard. If you press the Take It for Aspen button in that email, proceed to the usage page of the Bard. 2. Features difference from ChatGPT. First, the speed of response. In the case of ChatGPT, each letter is entered like a domino, but in the case of Bard, the full answer appears with a brief load. It comes up at once, so you can feel it's fast. Second, the free version of ChatGPT gives answers based on data until the second half of 2022. In the case of the Bard, it seems to reflect the real-time information. I asked you about the recent news, and you answered like this. Third, it gives you a more friendly answer. ChatGPT can also change the way you talk through pre-education, but in a more human, friend-like way. It answers naturally. Lastly, I can't answer questions in other languages except English yet. I think this part will be solved if the official version is updated. With the development of ChatGPT, explosive technological advances in AI are taking place together. This Bard, created by Google, a global search engine, will go beyond ChatGPT in the future. You should try it now. Thank you for watching this video today.